welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the advanced function, the switch function. So the switch function is kind of like the if-else condition. The benefit is that for switch, you only need to declare a variable once, and then you'll just matches to different case. The drawback is that the case will only be limited to integer numbers. So let's say we declare variable number 1, and then we just set it as 0. When we set switch to match the variable, it'll look for this variable's value, and if it's 0, it matches to this case. If it's 1 or 2, it matches to these cases. We can also add a default case just in case if our variable has some other numeric value and then we wanted to do like a default program. In this example, let's just put a quick message showing that we're in different cases. And just copy and paste. Actually, let me just copy and paste this. We're gonna change it to 1. And then we're gonna change it to case 0. Yeah. Now, since our variable is assigned to 0 right now, when we run the program, it'll just pop up a message saying this is case 0. And of course, we can switch the integer to 2, and then it'll say this is case 2. And if we happen to enter some values that is not one of the cases, it'll either not do anything if you don't have the default case, or it'll show the default case. And that's how you use the switch function inside the advanced tab. Thank you for watching.